U.S. to supply Israel with spice bombs used by India in Balakot strike. What are they? The spice, smart, precise impact, cost-effective bombs are air-to-ground weapons developed by Rafael USA, the American branch of one of Israel's most prominent arms manufacturers. These bombs belong to a family of guided munitions designed to enhance the precision of unguided bombs, effectively transforming them into GPS-guided munitions. Spice bombs use advanced guidance kits, integrating GPS, Inertial Navigation System, Global Positioning System, guidance and electro-optical seekers for precise final targeting.